Guys, most welcome in technology welfare. In this video tutorial, I will talk about MobiQuick .coms. This is a website that is giving the facility to online mobile recharge, DTH recharge, data card recharge, landline and broadband recharge, electricity bill, gas, insurance and metro and etc. By this, and this will give you also commissions if you are going to get the recharge via this website. So definitely if you do your own recharge, also you will get a good profit, more than retailer than through this website. So here, see, just I will go for logging. In the logging, just you have to enter your mobile number, then it will give you OTP on your mobile number. Then I have to enter here OTP. Then see, any number you have to enter. It doesn't matter that it belongs to Airtel, it belongs to Reliance, Jio, whatever. Just select your number, enter your number. Automatically it will be detected which company's number. For example, this number is belong to Reliance, and I would like to have the recharge on this. So 51 recharge. Just you have to fill the amount. It will show you details. See, it has been given here detail the validity based on that and benefit unlimited data 3 of course GB high speed data thereafter. So detail is also given here. See, if you this recharge of course by directly to your website, there is not a provision, especially I mean if you do recharge of any actually other companies, then you have to visit often that company if you would like to have the recharge on your number of if so for example if that belong to Airtel, then you have to go on a Airtel company to go for the recharge. But here I will now get a recharge from here. So for example here I would like to say you see offer deal has been given also here. In an offer deal, see here option is given, and this is it. So in every offer of course you will get to the various kinds. So for example recharge and bill, here see new user offer. So there are various kind of the promo code has been given, and by that definitely you will get a good cashback from here. So for example, actually I don't want to just as a retailer I would like to have the recharge, so just I will select this number, and here just I will enter, and now I will see here plan has been given here. So 51 rupees so this one I will select. Now I will go for now recharge. See here option has been given that super cash you will get a 2.54. so this is of course here given that 2.54 rupees I will get super cash. Actually that will be added to on my my wallet, and here promo code has been given also. Now apply for code, here it has been given get up to the 100 rupees cash of that. So if I select this one, then this company will give me the cash 100 rupees, but actually after this month. So suppose I selected these ones. Now it's saying that you can existing super cash in the transaction by removing promo code. So now I will go for this one and plus 100 rupees that one. So of course approximately I will get a good profit on this number. Yes, so now I will go for payment. In the payment selection I will choose here net banking. For example here, see, so I will select here net banking. Now I will go for pay. Now here, for security purpose, I will pause this video and successful transactions that I will show you. So here, now guys, see, actually I have started to payment here. So now it has started to process the payment here. Now see, now actually it's a processing. So sometimes due to server problem it happens. So but mostly actually the server is very flexible on this website, but I don't know at the moment having the problem of a server. But now see, message has actually reached on my mobile numbers that yes, this amount has been debited from my account. So now it will show here bill book of this. So I will have to do it. Actually it's generating the bill of so so actually here, see, you can go in a history and you can have the detail that on what amount actually I have gotten the recharge of that one. So see, for example here, now approximately 5 rupees I have gotten the commission from this, that this is really more than any retailer. So 5 rupees I have gotten actually profit by getting recharge on approximately, I mean, 51 rupees here. And so see, for example, as actually I have done the recharge of here 19 rupees. So sometimes according to, of course, super cash and what kind of the promo you are using, so definitely you will get a good profit here. See, actually I have received here actually 6 rupees actually commission in actually 199. So for example here I would like to show you, see, 399 rupees actually on a Geo I have done the recharge, and actually the company received 250 rupees, that's all. And I got in, actually company paid how much rupees, actually 359. So 150 rupees I have gotten commission from this company. So this is a good one, of course, and this company is giving good profit if you get the recharge through this website here. For example here, now see, this is my bill, the recharge under the process. So actually this is 51. So it will take scarcely sometimes due to server problem, of course, but my mobile has actually on my mobile there is a message for yes, I have gotten successful recharge message on my number on this. But here list will be generated approximately 1 to 5 minutes scarcely, sometimes due to server problems. So just for example I will come in a history. Now see, 51 rupees actually I have paid from my bank, and after 5-6 minutes actually this company will give me, of course, more than 5 rupees commission here. So 51 rupees on and plus 100 rupees I will get actually after 1 month of that's cashback also according to that's a promo code. So good profit from this company you can have if you would like to have the profit, and if you don't prefer to go on any shopkeeper for recharge, and then this is easy way and easy website, and this is of course giving also and caring also of your good security of your actually whatever private data you have given to this company. So I will go for long out here now. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, and if it has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a new channel on the YouTube and growing, so definitely I need your support and loves. So thank you guys, have a great time.